Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm at an event for Sabrina Yang. It's called A Brief Encounter, and it's just a fundraiser for her who's going through just a sickness. So.
I'm
gonna pray for Sabrina.
Jesus, you're all I need. You hold my every bone. I will praise you in this storm, and I will lift my hands. You are who you are. And she requests còn tô hùng cao trò lu trò hùng cao để nó chị cũng chỉ báo được chị cũng một tờ chơi chị cũng nói ít rồi ta I'm looking for palm. Can you show me to palm? Okay, which palm? Is the little palm? I don't know because I never see him before. Nó chị này cho của một thầu cứ này rồi lên nó nè thầu cứ ổn định để chị cũng có một site của internet để cũng đi tại lô là ha. Thế she doesn't look like that small. Chị của họ ta no I don't know maybe not. Chị này cho của một show cho palm ta this is palm. Yeah, he's very small. He's very small. Thế she này rồi lên nó nè. He's very small, but he's very special. Này ya itu ni cha đó là văn chữ chỉ là very special. He's very talented. How good talent do you have? Last year, 2011, he went to Mount Idol. He's the second place. He's the second place Mount Idol. He's very good. Even though he's very small, he has a big heart, and very small, and he had his talent. Thank you, and let's welcome Palm Wang.
Hello, how's everybody doing? I think that was the best introduction that I've ever had. So thank you. And today I just want to encourage everyone, including Sabrina, that sometimes we just go through tough times here on earth, but I just encourage us to still believe in the Lord's faithfulness and still believe in His truth. And that truth is Jesus Christ. And so this one is called I Still Believe. And I still believe in your faithfulness. And I still believe in your truth. And I still believe in your holy word. 'Cause even when I don't see, I still believe. So we're just about wrapping up here, praying to end the event. So we just got done over here, and our church band sounded wonderful.
I know. And he has 1,000
The leader here.
That means 1,000
Yes.
people will be watching.
Coon Rapids Hmong Alliance.
998 short.
These guys sounded wonderful.
We're gonna go on there and ban that video.
I will tag like the all YouTube videos. We just wrapped up here at Guardian Angels Church for an event called A Brief Encounter for Sabrina Yang, who had cancer. So I think it was a successful event. Just feeling really blessed to be able to encourage her family, and just people around her and the people that were there, just to encourage them with a few songs. And so it was good. And now I'm off to the U of M's talent show. So yeah, I'm a little drained out right here, and people were like, "Yes, are you Cody Lee?" Pretty good, man. This guy's a stud right here.
Catch a grenade for you. Throw my head on a blade for you. I'll jump in front of a tree for you. You know I'd do anything for you.
Same people from vlog from St. Thomas. Yeah, Cody. Yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty dark in here too.
Makes no sense to me. Don't take this offensively. Big moon, babe, your length of more. Chẳng như nằm mơ được cuộc mùa thiên đỏ.
Got done over here, and it's a good show. Ali and Gao Yang, very supportive girls, so I appreciate the love. So, the event was good. A lot of support as usual, and that's why I love performing for the HMSA at the University of Minnesota. But yeah, another good event, and yeah, it's been a really long day. Been up since 7 in the morning, and so yeah, 2 events in one day. It's like 10 o'clock right now, so crazy hours. Life of a rock star. I guess I gotta get used to it, right? So thank you guys for watching another vlog.